Hi guys, I came for books reading. There is a library inside a cafe. There is a very beautiful cafe. We shared ideas together. There are still some people. It was very fun to read books together. Bro, would you like to be on the camera? I'm making a reel.
Okay.
Instagram reel. So how was your reading experience today?
Pretty good and fine. This is the first time that I'm visiting for this particular community, and I just want to visit this community more and more.
Okay. Which book are you reading?
I'm reading this book.
Yes, guys, I'm so sorry, but I can't hear what is he trying to tell.
Hi everyone.
Hello, hi.
So, how are you guys?
We are good. Actually, how about you?
I'm also good.
Yes.
So did you have fun today?
Yes, we did. We did.
Okay, and did you enjoy the food?
Yes. Yes.
And yes, we are at a restaurant right now, Swachh South Indian restaurant, and we had idli, vara, and chai, coffee, very good poet.